In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Shopify store in just a few simple steps. If you're looking to personalize your online store to better fit your brand and style, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Shopify. Make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up before you can access the customization features. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard of your Shopify store. Next, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and locate the option labeled Online Store. Click on it. This section allows you to make various visual and functional adjustments to your online store. Now you'll notice a button labeled Customize, so go ahead and click on that. This will open up the theme editor, which is where the magic happens. In the theme editor, you'll see a preview of what your store currently looks like. On the left-hand side is the settings panel, which is quite intuitive. Here you can make changes to the layout, colors, fonts, and more as you see fit. But today, we're going to focus on moving a button within the layout. In the settings panel, find the list of sections or elements of your page and locate the one that includes the button you want to move. Once you've found it, you can simply click and drag the button to wherever you want it on your page. This function gives you the flexibility to arrange elements of your page so that they align with your branding or design vision. As you move the button, you'll see the live preview update in real time. This feature is incredibly helpful because it allows you to immediately see how the changes affect the overall look of your store. Feel free to experiment with different layouts until you're satisfied with the position of the button. And there you have it. Once you're happy with the changes, make sure to save them before exiting the theme editor. You've successfully customized your Shopify store by moving a button to your desired position. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in terms of user experience and aesthetic appeal. So that's it for today's tutorial on how to customize your Shopify online store. Remember that small tweaks can significantly enhance the visual appeal and functionality of your site, so don't hesitate to come back and make more changes as your business grows. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips on managing and optimizing your Shopify store. Happy customizing!